Okay, so I'm going to try to show you. Let me just check the storage. 10 minutes. Oh, that is a hard ask. I'll try my best. Yeah, this is sort of 10 minutes from here. It's 6:20. I tried to change it in 10 minutes. I already did it one time, but it seems like the tube has a slow leak. I bought this from Kmart. It was like $6, new one, 20-inch tube. So the first thing with this one is get like another pump. One sec. Yeah, this one is good. Just kind of drain the air out of it. I pumped it up before, so you can just do that to get the air out. By the way, I only changed a tire once in my whole life for a bike tire, and it was like half an hour ago. I watched a YouTube video. I didn't really know how to do it, but I didn't have to take this off. So some of them show you have to take this off. Probably easier, but I had to get like kind of like a screwdriver and a spanner. And initially I just where is it, like a flathead one? Yeah, that flathead. Make sure it's recording. Yeah, it's recording. I just kept doing that. It's kind of easier the second time doing it. I mean, like the tire coming off. Make sure you get this thing out first from the tube. I have a few spanners. There is some other like plastic tools that you can use, but I don't have them. What I did was just kind of got my fingers under there and stuff like that. I tried to like get this off. I don't know if this is gonna be a 10-minute job, but I'll try my fastest way to do it. Once you get that thing out, it's easier. The nozzle. Fuck, it's really hard. Yeah, I think. Oh yeah. By the way, I did it like this the first time. Sorry about the stuff, but it's just like clothes I found. My unit is very small. So once you do that, you can take out the tube somehow. Just yeah, keep doing this thing. Because I did it before, it was quite easy to come out. Yeah, this nozzle is really hard. I think I haven't done it right. One sec. You gotta make sure you get the inner tube out. So far it's kind of disappeared. Shit. One second. Just make sure you can find it again. Yeah, it's kind of stuck inside the hole. Just use this thing. Yeah. Okay, I'm kind of getting somewhere now. Get this nozzle, pull it out. You see, yeah, there. And then you can just pull out the tube without really needing to take the tire off. It should just come out. I'll show you what I mean. Oh yeah, that thing. How did I? Weird. Anyways, yeah, how does it? Oh, I might have to cut it. Yeah, that's why. But I'll show you what I mean when I pump it up. It doesn't really. It looked fine, but it has like a slow leak. Anyways, I don't have time to kind of show you, but there's definitely a leak. But next problem is, yeah, you have to take this off to put a new one on. Otherwise, yeah, you see, like this thing, yeah, you need to get it inside, you know, like it's a wheel, so it kind of needs to go over that, you know, in the middle. Simple geometry, but that should be easy enough. So grab a spanner. How much time I have? 4 minutes, my good. I'll have to make more storage. Make sure it's the right size spanner. I just tightened this up before. Not a good idea before. It was easy enough. There we go. It just kind of comes off quite easily. Yeah, see, I'm not sure if you can see a close up of it. Maybe I'm not really showing a good angle, but just trying to do that. Yeah, I'm just taking off this spanner thing. Still recording, right? Shit. But anyways, you take that off. I assume this just gracefully comes out somehow. Maybe I need to take off that side too. That's the brake. That's a bit annoying. So there's another spanner side. Oh yeah, don't really touch that stuff. It's super oily. 1 second. I just tightened it up. Such a life. It's a bit like a long-term relationship, trying to get out of one. It's hard. Okay, this is not really moving. It's hard. I'm not sure if I do it the right way. Maybe you need some WD-4. I did it. Yeah, it's good. I didn't know that the whole thing had to come off. Anyway, yeah, that just comes out. You chuck the old dick one over there. And then this one, make sure you get it the right way. So, like the nozzle has to be facing inwards. So it goes like there. And then take this thing off. Maybe it's a blessing I had to do it twice, so I made a video. I did the other one on live stream, so it'll just be like that. And then there's like a hole there. Make sure you get it in like that. Should just go in, yeah, and push it as much as you can. Then yeah, just put these nuts in. I could do the tire thing first, yeah, maybe that's possibly easier. Like, we could just put it back first. I've seen some videos do the tire thing. Like, you're meant to inflate. Oh shit, no, that's not good. Okay. Just inflate it a little bit, so get this. I think I'm gonna run out of storage soon. I can do like another video and stitch it together. Just pump it up a little bit so it has some kind of shape to it. Yeah, maybe that's too much. I'm sweating. Then you can just like kind of fit this thing kind of evenly. Maybe that's too much air. Put it down like that. This is like $40 something or something in the shop. 20 for installation. anyways, that's that. You can just make sure it fits kind of around the rim there. Yeah, usually this whole tire thing didn't come off previously, but it's come off. Oh, my storage is... okay, got another 16 minutes. That should be enough. Yeah, so hopefully it's in the frame and everything. Crock shot. Anyways, yeah, I was saying, like, make sure you get... I think you have to do this tire thing first, like in the video I saw. Trying to get the angle right. I can zoom out a bit, but it's probably too much. Oh, there, that's way too much. I just can't go back a bit. Sorry, it's only got the buttons here. We'll just leave it at that. So yeah, just I think you need to make sure you get firstly get that thing in that I mentioned before, and then it's just a matter of fitting the kind of the tire to the rim, and like make sure this tube thing is inside the tire. Oh shit. Maybe that's an easier thing, just tuck the tube into the tire, and then later you can oh yeah, I forgot one point. You should run yeah, that's a really important point. Just clean the tire and the rim in case there's like small gravel that could make another puncture. So maybe get like a wet paper towel. Outside. So this is the other one. See, it's like slowly deflating. Yeah. Anyways, I think this is probably a good safety measure. Just clean the rim before. See, there's like little. Where is the camera? There's like dirt and stuff inside. It seemed like whatever caused the other hole was very small. And it only takes like a very small thing. Yeah, this is all from like watching just another YouTube videos, and then just apply that experience. Yeah. That's looking pretty clean. This is my spare bike, by the way. I'm just doing it for extra range for food delivery. Then check the tire as well. I have another, I have another bigger tissue for that because it's a bigger area. Just run a wet tissue like through the tire. Make sure there's no like whatever, like a sharp rock or something. Also check the treading. The treading on the front one's good, but the back one has a bit of balding. I can show you later. Yeah, see, there's like some stuff there. It's more like rubber from the tire, but make sure the sides and stuff are clear. That's a good experience for like changing a car tire or something. Yeah, that's that. And then, yeah, what I mentioned before, just line the nozzle in the hole first. Then you can line up the inner tube with the rim. And then, yeah, get the tire. Hopefully your tire is not like punctured or anything. But it's more the tube that matters. But yeah, your tire should be good condition. And then, yeah, it's just a matter of putting the tube into the tire. It's inflated a little bit, but maybe it might help to inflate it a bit more. Or just do this thing. Yeah, like that, and then you can just put it into the tire more easily. it's a really weird feeling if you're doing it for the first time. I work in IT normally, but I have a huge passion for like mobility and e-bikes, e-scooters, yeah, EV cars. So yeah, you can see like it's kind of all going into shape. I'm not sure if I should do like the wide road or there. Yeah. Hello. Oops. Yeah, I just kind of fit it in there somehow. It's kind of a cylinder shape, so it doesn't really matter, I think, what side it's facing up or whatever. Just make sure it's not tangled and stuff. There is a key to it at this point. Make sure the edge of the tire fit inside the rim, so the two edges have to go inside the rim before you pump it up too much. Yeah, try to start getting that into shape. I guess start from here. Yeah, it's my first time putting the tire back on a rim. Before it was just mostly on. You might have to use a bit of strength or like some tools to get it over the line. But make sure the tube is okay. Like that. It's rubber, so you can stretch the tire, you know, to get it into the rim. Don't want to damage the tube, you know. I guess just like slowly wedge it into place. It's a bit like I don't know how to explain it, but it's just a rubber thing. This part is kind of getting stuck. Yeah, it's like coming out on one end. It's being difficult now. I think making sure the tube is in the tire first would be handy. Okay. I'm just hoping it can. Yeah, it's really weird. Okay, maybe press it in more. I think I know what's not working right. You gotta like really get one side of it onto the rim first. Tire is weird. You see what I'm doing? Getting one side of the tire onto the rim first. Making sure the tube is also in place properly. Yeah, you can use like a flathead screwdriver if you want to get that. It's just getting like one side of the tire in the groove because it's really tight fit. There we go. It's getting into place now. Then you can just make sure the other side is also in the kind of the rim of the you're just inside the rim, like the tires and edges. It will make more sense once you pump it up. You will see what I mean. But even now you can kind of see like it's flush. There's nothing sticking out. So we're just gonna pop that. Let me just get the angle. Oh, hopefully it's like that. I'm just gonna pop it back in, making sure it was the way it was before. I'm actually just the disc brake doesn't have anything interesting. So yeah, just make sure it. I should be probably taking some photos of that. Yeah, it's really dirty. What a job to do after a shower. Make sure it gets in there. Shit. Like that. Because there's also these nuts here, probably on that side. Okay, like that. Why is it going in? I think you have to like put a bit of pressure on it. I'm just seeing where the nut is. Oh yeah, okay. We're just following it like that. Don't just leave it with your hands, but I'll use the spanner later. I'm just trying to follow the same kind of design it took on. Oh, it's recording, nice. What is it? Yeah, so this is the most important part. Probably just make sure it's really tight, but someone is using a bone thing. Yeah, I'm gonna just do this. Yep. Same with this side. How much time do I have left? Oh, 15 minutes. Yeah, just make sure it's really tight. 2 hands. Preferably get like a male to just help you if you're a female doing this. Otherwise, just try it with your body weight. Something you really don't want to be coming undone when you're riding. Is the wheel. Oh, no, I don't want that one. The opposite ways. It's good to check them every so often as well. Okay, the fun part. Just plug this in here. Lock it. By the way, this pump is from Kmart. It's really good. When you're pumping it, making sure the rim of the edge of the tire is in the rim. Otherwise, you're gonna have like a problem where it's not flush. So yeah, I can already see there's some problem here. It might take you a few goes, but you'll get there. See how? I can probably take off the. You see here, it's kind of there's something with the nozzle, so you need to make sure it's flush all the way through. I'll kind of show you how I. Yeah, so we're almost there, but we have this issue where part of the tire is out. Just need to make sure it's properly in. If I can show you quickly. Yeah, just this part here. This part has to be like really in. push the nozzle down even more. You have to. You can also use like a tool. You see how the rest is kind of in, but this part is not fully in. We'll just try to put it up again. One thing that helped me was to like make sure you could push it in. Otherwise the inner tube is not going to be fully protected. Yeah, that is some issue. You see as I'm pumping, there's this edge is not fully in. It's something you need to fix. I think keep wedging the tire. So something is wrong with the tube at this point, and we might need to fix it. One sec. Push it in like that. Yeah, it can be pretty complicated. You just press it in. Yeah, I think that helped a lot. Now you can see the edge of the tires in. We can just keep pumping it. You can see the gauge there. How much time we got? So yeah, stop pumping when it's just a bit too hard to keep. Yeah, that's pretty much flush. You can see there's nothing sticking out on both sides. The bolding I was referring to, bolding is like that. You can see the grip is kind of gone on the back tire, but on this one it's fine. Yeah, these tires have been really good for me. Oh, that is also a problem. 1 second. So it's basically ready. Just put the nozzle thing back onto the tire. Trying to find it somewhere. Here. Put this thing. Oh my goodness. It's come off so easy. Just put that back on. And you're good to go. Saved myself $40. It costs like $6 for the tube and all the time. And yeah, just make sure these things are really tight. You don't want this coming off, you know. Yeah, that's tight. This one. Sorry, my leg is kind of in the way. Yeah, just making sure it's super tight. Okay, that's good as new. Maybe the train. I have to edit it later. But yeah, that's my spare bike. Sorry about the mess, but that's the life sometimes. It's a small unit. This is like my bike bay. It's in the hallway. Peace.